Yes, welcome to Mathematics first year 1B second chapter Transformation of Axis. Transformation of axis, last concept in this chapter. Okay, so today we will discuss about a very important question, like important theorem. Show that the axes are rotated through an angle. Okay, so axes are rotated through some angle 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. So some angle, so axes are what? Rotated. Axes are what? Rotated. For suppose this is small x and this is small y. Small x axis and small y axis. Some angle are taken. In this case, angles are rotated. This is capital X and this is capital Y. This is for suppose theta. Okay, angles take an angle theta. So axes are rotated. Show that the axes are rotated through an angle 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. So axes are rotated, then this is the final theorem. So as to remove the xy term from the equation. So in this equation, what is the remove xy term whenever the axes are rotated after this equation? ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. By is equal to 0. If a not equal to b, if a not equal to b, 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b, here theta. So theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b when a not equal to b. Okay. Oh, for suppose through an angle pi by 4 when if a is equal to b, then theta must be pi by 4. So clearly our question is axes are rotated to some angle. If a not equal to b, then the theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. If for suppose a is equal to b, then theta is how much? That is equal to pi by 4 when we are show. So first of all, our equation is old axis equation or new axis equation? Yes, old axis equation. Why? Because show that the axes are rotated through angle. So rotated through angle means this is the original equation. Okay, original equation means small x and small y. Okay, small x and small y. Given original equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Our equation is small x and small y because of this is the before the rotated of the axis, means this is the original equation or old equation. Therefore we are taking in this table small x and small y. What is small x? Small x is equal to capital X into cos theta minus capital Y into sin theta. Small x is equal to capital X into cos theta minus capital Y into sin theta. Okay, understood? This is equation number 2. So the given equation is number 1 and this is equation number 2. Next, small y is equal to what? Capital X into sin theta, capital X into sin theta plus capital Y into cos theta. Yes, small y is equal to capital X into sin theta plus capital Y into cos theta. So capital X into sin theta plus capital Y into cos theta, capital X into cos theta minus capital Y into sin theta. So small x and small y equations. So the replace of small x and small y input of equation number 1. Okay. So given equation transformation as given equation transformation as equation 2 and equation 3, substitute in equation number 1. So in these two equations, substitute in the equation number 1. Understood all of you? Yes. Now we get, what is equation number 1? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the before of the rotated of the angle, means small x and small y only. Okay, understood? Right. I will go to the answer clearly. So small x replace on capital X into cos theta minus capital Y into sin theta. So a into x square means capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta whole square. Okay, x replace on this one whole square plus 2h into plus 2h into xy. What is x? X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. What is y? Y is the x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, right. Next plus by square. What is y? X sin theta plus y cos theta. X sin theta plus y cos theta. Y square means whole square. That is equal to must what? That is 0. Okay, now we will solve some simplification. So this is a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Like what is a? Like this is a. This is like b. A minus b whole square. A square means x square cos square theta plus b square means y square sin square theta minus 2ab minus 2 into x cos theta into y sin theta. No doubt at all. 2 into xy into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, minus 2 into xy into sin theta into cos theta. This is a minus b whole square formula expandation. Okay, now we are going to the next term. Plus 2h into plus 2h into x cos theta into x sin theta. X into x what? X square. Cos theta into sin theta or sin theta into cos theta. Both two terms are multiplied. So x square into sin theta into cos theta. Okay, next 2h is in the term of before. Okay, next x cos theta into y cos theta. So x y cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So plus xy into cos square theta, xy into cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Okay, next minus into plus minus y into x, xy, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Understood? Next minus into plus minus y into y what? Y square, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. So these two terms multiplied off in these two terms is over. Next what? Plus b plus b plus b into, this is the a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means x square sin square theta plus b square means y square cos square theta, y square cos square theta plus 2ab. 2 into xy into sin theta cos theta, 2 into xy into sin theta cos theta, that is equal to 0. So this is simple. Simplify this equation after we get, okay, yes, coming. Ax square. So now it is multiplied on all these terms. So a into x square, a into x square cos square theta plus a into y square sin square theta minus 2 a into xy into sin theta cos theta. A is multiplied on all these terms and plus 2h into multiplied on all these terms. Okay, next b multiplied on all these terms, that is equal 0. Now we get a into x square cos square theta plus a into y square sin square theta minus xy into a into 2 sin theta cos theta. 2xy or xy into a into 2 sin theta cos theta, both are same. Okay, next plus x square into 2h into sin theta cos theta plus xy into 2h into cos square theta minus xy into 2h into sin square theta minus y square into 2h into sin theta cos theta plus x square into b into sin square theta plus y into b into cos square theta. Okay, y into y or y square into cos square theta. So y square into b into cos square theta, y square into b into cos square theta. Okay, right. Y square into b into cos square theta plus xy into b into 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. To remove the xy term, equate the coefficient of xy term is 0. Our given question is there. What is that? Remove the xy term. So xy term is so as to remove the xy term from the equation. So as to remove the xy term from the equation. Therefore, what happened here? So we are identify in our equation which are xy term in this equation. So which are equation in this term. Okay. So clearly this is xy term. This is also xy term. This is also xy term. Where is the xy term? Lastly, this is also xy term. How many terms in this case? 4 terms are in this case. So clearly our condition is to remove the xy term. Xy term remove means the coefficient of xy term is must be equate the 0. The equate the coefficient of xy term is to 0. The meaning of remove the xy term means the coefficient of xy term equate of the must be 0. Then what is that? Xy term is removed. Minus a into 2 sin theta into cos theta minus a into 2 sin theta into cos theta. Coefficient of xy term. Xy term remove means the coefficient of xy term equating to the 0. Okay. So minus a into 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2h into cos square theta minus 2h into sin square theta. Next plus b into 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Understood all of you? Yes. Now minus a into 2 sin theta cos theta. According to trigonometry, what is this? 2 sin theta cos theta I have to say. What do you have to say? Yes, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal sin 2 theta. Like this is a formula. Minus a into 2 sin theta cos theta replace on sin 2 theta plus 2h is common. Cos square theta minus sin square theta plus b into it is also related to the 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta is equal to 0. Next minus a into sin 2 theta plus 2h into cos square theta minus sin square theta is also one of the trigonometry formula, that is cos 2 theta. 2h into cos square theta minus sin square theta is one of the trigonometry formula, that is cos 2 theta plus b into sin 2 theta is equal to 0. Now 2h into cos 2 theta is equal. So keep on this term right side, keep on this term right side. So this is plus quantity, this is negative quantity when it is keep on right side. So this is negative quantity, keep on right side, that is positive. This is positive, keep on right side, that is negative. So a sin 2 theta cos theta, 2h into cos 2 theta is equal to a into sin 2 theta minus why? Because keep on right side, minus b into sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta. So here sin 2 theta is common. 2h into cos 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta is common, a minus b only. So 2h into cos 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta into a minus b. So only have to take 2h 2h into cos 2 theta. So this is the multiplied terms. So cos 2 theta keep on right side, what happened? That is division. So sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta into a minus b. You know very well. So sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to what? Tan 2 theta. Why? Because tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. So for suppose 2 theta by 2 theta. So sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is must be tan 2 theta. So 2h is equal to tan 2 theta into a minus b. So reverse of all these terms. Okay. So tan 2 theta into a minus b is equal to what? 2h. We want only theta. Remaining terms all are keep on right side. So tan is keep on right side. So tan 2 theta is equal to, this is multiplication, keep on right side, that is a division. So tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. Why? Because a minus b is multiplied on left side, keep on right side, what happened? That is division. Okay. Next tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. Only want to theta. So now, so tan is equal to what? 1 by tan. 1 by tan means tan inverse. So tan 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. Then 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. Only we want theta. So 2 theta means 2 into theta. Only we want theta. Theta is equal to what? So 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. Theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. This is if a not equal to b. For suppose a is equal to b, what happened? So if a is equal to b, theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus a. Like a is equal to b means you are to take b is equal to b, b is equal to a, or a is equal to b, whatever it you have to take a minus a or b minus b, b minus b, a minus a or b minus b. What happened here? So theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus a is what? That is 0. Theta is equal, that implies theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of. So when tan theta is infinity, 2h by 0 means that is infinite. Whenever theta is infinite, tan 90. So tan 90 means sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. 1 by 0 means that is infinity. Therefore tan 90 must be infinity. So theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of, this is infinity. Whenever infinity tan, so tan is pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. So tan inverse cancel. Therefore theta is equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So 1 into pi, 2 ja how much? 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Whenever a is equal to b, if a is equal to b, theta is equal to pi by 4. If a not equal to b, theta is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. This is very important question. So according to transformation of axis, this is I think the last important concept, very important in the transformation of axis second chapter in our 1b. Okay. So understood all of you. So if a not equal to b, theta is equal to what? 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. If a is equal to b, theta is equal to pi by 4. Understood all of you? So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is a equation. Remove the xy term. If a not